Unlocking the power of ChatGPT, creating high-quality videos with AI. One of the most trending topics related to ChatGPT is how to use it to create videos. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can generate high-quality videos based on text input. You can use ChatGPT to create videos for various purposes, such as marketing, education, entertainment, and more. Here is a summary, pros and cons, and how you can earn money from ChatGPT videos. ChatGPT videos are generated by using the Mid-Journey tool, which is a part of the ChatGPT Plus subscription. You can type in any text or choose from a library of templates, and then select an AI art style or video theme that matches your text. The tool will automatically create a video based on your text, with voiceover animations, images, music, and more. You can also edit the video by changing the narrator, animations, images, music, and more. ChatGPT videos have many advantages, such as 1. They are easy and fast to create. You don't need any video editing skills or software. You just need to write or choose a text and let ChatGPT do the rest. 2. They are unique and creative. You can choose from a variety of AI art styles and video themes that will make your video stand out from the crowd. 3. They are engaging and informative. You can use ChatGPT videos to capture the attention of your audience and deliver your message effectively. ChatGPT videos also have some drawbacks, such as 1. They are not always accurate or reliable. ChatGPT may generate incorrect or inappropriate information, images, or voiceovers that may not match your text or intention. 2. They are not always original or authentic. ChatGPT may use existing content from the internet or other sources that may infringe on copyrights or trademarks. 3. They are not always suitable or relevant. ChatGPT may not understand the context or purpose of your text and may generate videos that are not appropriate for your audience or topic. How to earn money from ChatGPT videos. There are many ways you can monetize ChatGPT videos, such as 1. You can sell your ChatGPT videos as a service to clients who need video content for their businesses or projects. 2. You can upload your ChatGPT videos to platforms like YouTube or TikTok and earn revenue from ads or sponsorships. 3. You can use your ChatGPT videos to promote your own products or services and generate leads or sales. I hope this helps you understand how to use ChatGPT to create videos and make money from them. If you want to see some examples of ChatGPT videos, you can watch a demo here.